Hello, my name is Pavan, right here at the Dixie Divers again. And today we're going to talk a little bit about the helium. Okay, I want to introduce a product that we sell is this tank right here, this setup with valve and hose, and this is basically aluminum tank, 60 cubic feet. Basically, is this 60 cubic feet of a tank. And if you're a fisherman and you do kite fishing, the balloon that you use, the big ones for kite fishing, is 9 cubic feet. So basically, this tank here can fill up to 7 balloons that you use it for kite fishing. This is very popular also, not just for kite fishing. You can use it for birthday parties and different things. Fill regular balloons. It's 100% helium. Now I'm going to show, the whole set comes with the tank, and the tank has the label right there, helium. It's not a breathable gas because it's 100% helium. It does not have any oxygen mixed to it. So now to put it in, very easy. You just put it in with the helium valve. No tools required. The beauty is it has a O-ring right there, all brass, nothing to rust, nothing to oxidating if you get in touch with the salt water. So now you just gentle press this and it's ready to go. You open the valve. As you open the valve right here, you're gonna see the pressure gauge. You're gonna show how much helium you have in the tank. So this way, as you use, you know how much helium you're using and how much you have left. We have this corrugated hose that the flex, okay, is 25 feet. So you can leave this behind. You can leave it like behind the dashboard, or you can put it underneath in the boat, or even in your house, different spot, and you can move this hose and it can fill up the balloons. Just as a show, just to play, I do not recommend anybody breathing this because now oxygen, just to show, is 100% helium. As you do this, your voice changes because it goes to the vocal cord. The vocal cord is much like the gas, it changes your voice. And that's the effect of a helium. But it's 100% helium, make the balloon fly. And we sell it at the Dixie Divers. If you have your own tank, you can bring it to us, we can fill it. And if you buy our setup, we'd be glad to fill it over and over again. Okay? We open 7 days a week, from 8 o'clock in the morning to 7 p.m. And pretty much you can walk to us. It takes about 5-10 minutes. We have it there filled for you. Any questions, shoot us an email, check our Facebook, and also check our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you.